behalf of William and Nicole, I would like to thank you all for being here on this beautiful day, in this gorgeous place, to bear witness to their marriage as they intertwine their lives as one.
Nikki, growing together has been the greatest joy of my life. No matter what we face, knowing that we'll be together through it all, just as we've been for the past 10 years, fills me with immense happiness. Finding your person, the one that you want to spend the rest of your life with, so early on is a blessing. I've witnessed the countless experiences that have shaped you into the remarkable person that you are today. As your partner and best friend, I promise to always give you my best and strive to bring the best out of you. I vow to offer you a space of comfort and companionship, to always give you my undivided attention, to love you no matter where life leads us, and to make you a warm dinner even on the coldest nights. I vow to always love you.
Will, since I was 16, you've been my best friend and the love of my life. Becoming your girlfriend 3,525 days ago, or somewhere around then, was an easy yes. I am so grateful for every moment we have shared, and I'm excited for every moment to come. I love how loyal and caring you are, and how you always put me first and are there to support me, even without me ever having to ask. You have been the most exceptional boyfriend, fiance, and I know you will make the best husband, and I am so proud to call myself your wife. I promise to take care of you like you take care of me, to put you first always as my best friend and my husband. I promise to continue learning and growing with you, to embrace the journey of life together. I vow to be your partner in all things and your greatest supporter, building a life filled with love, adventure, and happiness. I promise to love you unconditionally, to be loyal and true every single day for the rest of my life.
Nicole, I give you this ring to wear with love and joy.
As a ring has no end, neither shall my love for you.
I choose you to be my wife,
this day and forevermore.
It now gives me great pleasure to announce you as husband and wife. Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. William and Nicole Mosey. Yay! You may now seal your vows with a kiss.